Oh dear, started sneezing about 10 seconds ago. But I think I've missed it. I will talk after I finish sneezing. Okay, make sure there's no background sounds. That copyrights? Nope, I've turned it all off. That's why it took me so long to start recording, because I had to make sure all of the sounds were out. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh. I did make a video before this one. I had no time to post it. With having the puppies, and the puppies left 3 weeks ago, I've just been really busy just catching up on stuff that I didn't have time for with the puppies, like cleaning. Because every time you start cleaning, a puppy starts crying, and then, oh, what's going on? Is the puppy okay? So you have to stop what you're doing, come back down the stairs, or come back inside, or come and have a look to see they're okay. So things never got done really properly, and then we had 1 week nice weather, so I did a little bit in the garden. But yeah, I've been sneezing every day, but I've noticed my sneezing is getting more frequent. I'm sneezing a lot of times now, every day, and more intense. But I just don't have the time to record them. I do now. Anyway, it's finished. Look at my hair.